first of all, those guys all came from the San Francisco Bay Area. So they had this swampy southern rock from the New Orleans area, right? But they were really from San Francisco area. They were originally called the Blue Velvets, and then they became the Gollywogs, and then in 1967 they became Creedence Clearwater Revival. The name came from Tom Fogerty had a friend named Creedence Newball, so they took the name Creedence. The Clearwater reference came from a TV beer commercial, and Revival was a nod to the fact that they were separated for like 3 years because of military duties, and they got back together. So really odd combination of words, but I like it better than Gollywogs, so. Yes, I'm good.